One behind you is a creeper.
Don't worry,
Oh
that
man.
blow. No!
That's just sad. Give me that feather. Hey, you can have that, bro.
Dude, bro.
You can have that, bro.
No.
There's no way that just happened,
Yo,
bro.
we can never have pets in this damn game, bro.
That's
Like,
like,
come
that's the
on,
creeper.
bruh.
Oh man, you forget it's get evaporated, bro.
Come on, bruh. We can't be freaking serious right now, bro.
That's moments in Minecraft.
My God, bro.
That's just ridiculous.